Hello my friends, in this video I am going to talk about this radish land and this lady's fingers land, especially about our Goraka tomatoes land. First let's go to talk about this radish plants land. They are too small, so we can't get their yams. About 4 weeks later, we can tell 1 month later, we can eat the yams of this, and we can see the upper part of the yams of this plant. We can eat these leaves also by make malung, and also eat yams by make a curry. Very sweet. This curry is very sweet about these yams, and also very sweet about these leaves of this plant. They are too small, so we can't get yams now. Today is a rainy day, so my father didn't water these plants. You can see there is a small ladybug. They are very small and give also natural beauty to our environment, but they eat these leaves of these plants. You can see there are small type of disease that is not a disease. The ladybugs eat these leaves, so my father didn't like to that. This video especially I am going to talk about this lady's fingers land and the tomatoes land. These lady's fingers are famous to only our country, and we can see this is in only our country, and this is a type of lady's finger. This is called Dala lady's fingers, and the single meaning is Dalabandaka. We call Dala lady's fingers because this is like elephant's Dala, and it is very beautiful. They are taller than me, so my father put water these plants difficult because they are very tall. The another type of lady's fingers are not taller than these plants. You can see they are very tall, and there are small lady's fingers in the upper part of this plant. Our father picked lady's fingers in this tree, so we can't see the very big lady's fingers. There is only one lady fingers about tall, but the tallest lady fingers are very tall than this. We can see twice of this lady's finger. There is a small insect. You can see it is transmitted a disease. They eat these lady's fingers, so that is not a good idea. And our father make medicine to these plants. That is made from bath soaps, ginger, and made from garlic. So it is not poisonous for our health, and it is very good medicine. Our father make them because to the tomatoes also, because the tomatoes need there are small disease transmitted to tomatoes also. We can see there is also many bandaka ladies fingers in these plants, and there are small disease transmitted to these plants. Oh, there is a small flower in this plant, and it is also very beautiful. This is the flower of ladies fingers. You can see there is a small dark red in the down of this plant, and the upper part there is a light pink color. I can see there is a very big bandaka. You can see there is a red color in the upper part of this lady's fingers. It is growth well because the sunlight is flow into this place very quickly. Okay, my friends, let's go to another part of our chilies plants. The chilies plants are not ready yet. There is a small one plant is not ready yet, but the other plants there are 100 type of chilies. I put a video in the past. They are not ripe, but there are 100 chilies in the plants. You can see there are also 100 chilies of these plants, and they are ripe, so we can eat them. Oh, you can see there is a small small flower that is in white color. Chili's flower is white color. Today is a rainy day, so these flowers, buds, and leaves also fruits are falling down of heavy rain because their stems is not strong. That is the main reason. Okay, let's go to talk about our tomatoes. These tomatoes called Goroka tomatoes, and they are growth very well. It is also famous to our country and growth well in also our country. You can see they are not taller than me yet, but in later they will grow very tall. There are small disease. I told that there is a small disease transmitted to this tomatoes plant, and my father make medicine to that. You can see the diseases, the leaves are not successful. You can see they have a disease. There is a small one that is very cute. They are not taller than another plants, but there are no disease in this plant. We can tell there are no disease. You can see the leaves of this plant. There are many tomatoes in these plants. You can see they are very small. About 4 weeks, not 4 weeks, about 2 weeks later we can get the fruits of these plants. You can see they are also very beautiful and give the natural beauty to our environment. This is very beautiful in our garden. You can see the upper part of this our garden. There are beans. I can't go to that because there are mud in this the upper part of our garden, and they are also very beautiful. There are 100 type of beans there. Okay, my friends, my speech is over. Let's see another time. Especially in this video, I am talked about our lady's fingers and about this Goroka tomatoes. The Goroka tomatoes and the Dala lady's fingers are famous to only our country. So that is a special idea, special reason. Oh, I am going to talk about also this part. You can see this is a part of our lane. It is very useful. There are 2 reasons my father make that. To walk. One is to walk and water the plants. We can go by this and water the plants and see them. Another one is the soil. We can cancel the soil erosion. Soil erosion means if there are rain, the soils are falling down to the road of our village. So that is not good because our father put compost to this soil, and they have very good smell. Okay, my friends, my speech is over. Let's see another time. Goodbye.